Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth sport seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, black one-piece performance spoiler, satin black Charger decollete badge, Dodge grill badge, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, engine, 3.6L V6 24V STD, maximum steel metallic clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V FFB, and tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance.